गुड आफ्टरनून स्टुडंट्स. आज आपण पुन्हा बघतोय लाईन आणि प्लेन या टॉपिक मधले काही आउटलाइन्स आणि त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यातले ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. फर्स्ट पॉइंट फॉर लाईन there are two topics, line and plane. Now from first line, type 1, equation of line passing through given point a bar and parallel to given vector b bar is equal to, means we have to find equation of line. This is the equation of line L. This line is passing through point A. Its position vector is a bar. Suppose P is any point on this line, and this line is parallel to B bar. That is a given point A passing through A point and parallel to one of the vector. Then what is given? Given point. ज्या पॉइंट मधून लाइन पास होते तो पॉइंट एक दिलेला आहे आणि ती लाइन कोणाला पॅरलल आहे? ती पॅरलल वेक्टर दिला आहे. Then equation of line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. This is called as parametric form. In this, lambda is a parameter. Lambda is a parameter. Second is, if a bar transfer r bar minus a bar is equal to lambda b bar, that is scalar multiple. Therefore, cross product is 0 for parallel vectors. R bar minus a bar cross b bar is equal to 0. Non-parametric format. Then r bar is any point P. Coordinates of the point P is x, y, z, and coordinates of the point A x1, y1, z1, and coordinates of the point B a b c. Suppose a b c, that is the direction ratios of parallel vector. Then Cartesian format is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c is equal to lambda. Suppose this is symmetric format, this is Cartesian format. Here x1 y1 z1 format is here x minus y minus z minus, that is here are the points x1 y1 z1. म्हणजे आपल्याला जर कार्टेशियन फॉर्मॅट मध्ये दिला तर न्यूमरेटरला x1 y1 z1 दॅट इज पासिंग पॉइंट, त्या पॉइंट मधून लाइन पास होते. आणि कुणाला पॅरलल वेक्टरचे डायरेक्शन रेशियोज आर a b c आर द डायरेक्शन रेशियोज इज इक्वल टू लॅम्बडा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म. कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ एनी पॉइंट ऑन द लाइन फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए, या लाइनवरच्या कुठल्याही पॉइंटचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स काढायचे असतील तर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ एनी पॉइंट ऑन द line from point A at a distance lambda units is equal to x1 plus or minus l lambda, y1 plus or minus m lambda, z1 plus or minus n lambda, where l, m, n are the direction cosines of parallel vector. Then equation type 2. Again this question is same, equation of line. Find equation of line, but what is the given? Passing through two given points. Here one point parallel vector, in this two given points a bar and b bar, that is a position vector with respect to a bar, position vector with respect to b bar, then a bar and b bar. Then we can find just a b bar means b bar minus a bar, that is called as a parallel vector. या लाइनला पॅरलल असणारा सेम घ्यायचा, that is a b bar is a parallel vector and passing through this a or b, select any one. Then again by using same, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda, b bar minus a bar. Again its Cartesian format is x minus x1, but denominator x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are the two types of finding equation of line in a space, in a three-dimensional a space, by using just two criteria, passing point and parallel vector. In second, two given points. Next point, distance of a point from a line. या पॉइंट पासूनचं या लाईनचं पर्यंतचं डिस्टन्स, हे डिस्टन्स आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं असेल तर दॅट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन इज r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar passing through a point and parallel to this b bar vector. Its equation is, we know that r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. या लाईनचं या पॉइंट पासूनचं असणारा डिस्टन्स आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं असेल तर d is equal to, now coordinates of these points are x dash, y dash and z dash. Corresponding to this p, a position vector is alpha bar. Suppose then distance d is equal to, in terms of a vector format, square root modulus alpha bar minus a bar bracket square minus inside the square bracket alpha bar minus a bar dot b bar upon modulus b bar its bracket square. Same I write in terms of just Cartesian format, d is equal to square root x dash minus x bracket square, that is this point p, x dash minus x, a bar point चे coordinates x y z, x dash minus x bracket square plus y dash minus y square plus z dash minus z square. minus inside the square bracket. Again same x dash minus x into L. L is what? Again direction cosines. This is the parallel vector b bar. Its DRS, direction ratios, are ABC. From this ABC we can find LMN by a upon square root a square plus b square plus c square, b upon and c upon that. ABC. Therefore we find LMN and then write x dash minus x into L plus y dash minus y into M plus z dash minus z into N bracket square. This is the formula. This is what distance of a point from a line. Next, distance between two skew lines. R bar is equal to A1 bar plus lambda 1 B1 bar and R bar is equal to A2 bar plus lambda 2 B2 bar are the two lines in a plane which are neither parallel nor intersecting. In a plane, lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting are called as skew lines, and distance between them is given by this. First line passing through A1, next line, second line passes through A2 parallel to B1 bar, second parallel to B2 bar. Then its distance is A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar. Here as a cross product, then dot product and divided by modulus B1 bar cross B2 bar. It is the distance between two skew lines. Lines are intersecting each other, then shortest distance is 0. That is, lines are intersecting each other, shortest distance between them is 0. Therefore, A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar is equal to 0. This is the condition for intersecting lines. Same in terms of the Cartesian format. This is scalar triple product. Here a dot cross, therefore scalar triple. A2 bar minus A1 bar, that is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Then B1 bar cross B2 bar, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. This is for intersecting property of the line. Now case number 2, if lines are parallel, then distance d is equal to modulus A2 bar minus A1 bar cross B bar. If lines are parallel, then B1 bar and B2 bar are same. Then for this it becomes B bar just, and distance is modulus A2 bar minus A1 bar cross B bar. Now this is just finding distance of a point from a line and distance between two skew lines and intersecting property. Now this is interesting. Number of questions are there. जे काय दिलं असतं बघा परीक्षेला, lines are intersecting, two lines are intersecting and one of the constant is there. K वगैरे ठेवलेला असतो त्याच्यामध्ये फाइंड आउट K. if lines are intersecting each other असा क्वेश्चन असतोय. त्याच्यामध्ये कुठेतरी K असा मेन्शन केला असतोय. K वगैरे कोएफिशिएंट मध्ये ठेवला असतो, तो आपल्याला K कॅल्क्युलेट करायला विचारलेला असतो. इंटरसेक्टिंग ची प्रॉपर्टी लक्षात ठेवा, x2 x1, y2 y1, z2 z1 and so on. And this is distance between skew lines. Skew lines मधला विचारता डायरेक्ट याच्यावरती बऱ्याच वेळा क्वेश्चन असते बघा सीईटी ला. याच्यामध्ये काय केलं असते, दोन लाईन्स दिले असतात आणि डिस्टन्स विचारलं असते. पहिल्यामध्ये पासिंग A1 बार, दुसऱ्यामध्ये पासिंग A2 बार, पॅरलल B1 बार B2 बार हे सिलेक्ट करणार. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला डिस्टन्स डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला टाकता येईल. डिस्टन्स ऑफ ए पॉइंट फ्रॉम ए लाइन, याच्यासाठी मात्र आपण हा सेकंड कार्टेशियनचा लक्षात ठेवायचा. इक्वेशन वेक्टर फॉर्मॅट मध्ये दिलेत किंवा कार्टेशियन मध्ये दिलेत, त्याच्यानुसार आपल्याला हे लिहायचं आहे. याच्यामधून आपल्याला डिस्टन्स काढायचा आहे. Next point, plane. Again type 1, the equation of plane passing through a given point a bar and perpendicular to vector, that is perpendicular any vector perpendicular to given plane is normal denoted by n bar. Then equation of plane is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar, or this transfer r bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. R bar means any point that is coordinates are x y z. A bar passing point, that is x1 y1 z1. N bar normal vector, DRS of normal vector a b c, x minus x1 by into a, y minus y1 b, z minus z1 into c is equal to 0. This is Cartesian format and this is vector format. This is type 1, passing point and perpendicular vector, or it is called as normal vector. त्या प्लेनला परपेंडिक्युलर असणारा कुठला एक वेक्टर नोन असेल आणि पासिंग पॉइंट नोन असेल तर पहिल्या टाइप मध्ये जायचं. Equation of plane passing through a bar and parallel to two non-parallel vectors b bar and c bar. हियर ॲज अ बी बार वेक्टर, हियर ॲज अ सी बार वेक्टर. हे दोन्ही एकमेकांना पॅरलल नाही आहेत, नॉन पॅरलल वेक्टर्स. इफ these two are non parallel vectors, then vector perpendicular to both b bar and c bar is nothing but cross product. B bar cross c bar is a vector perpendicular to both b bar and c bar, and which is nothing but normal vector to this surface. Therefore r bar dot b bar cross c bar as a normal vector into a bar dot again b bar cross c bar as a here perpendicular vector or normal vector. दोन नॉन पॅरलल असतील वेक्टर्स असतील तर b bar cross c bar as a perpendicular vector. Again its parametric form is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar plus mu c bar. This is parametric form of this. Here lambda b bar, then b bar as a parallel vector, c bar as a parallel vector. These two are b bar and c bar. If this type of question is asked, then lambda b bar and mu c bar, that is two parameters, then b bar and c bar are parallel vectors, and passing is a bar. This type 3, equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points a b c, three non-collinear points. Then from this a b c we can find a b bar, a c bar. A b bar and a c bar again two non-parallel vectors. Then its perpendicular vector is a b bar cross a c bar. We can find a b bar cross a c bar as a normal vector, perpendicular vector. Passing point you can take a, b or c, any one. I select a as a passing point, then r bar dot perpendicular, a bar dot perpendicular. This I write in terms of box product, r bar minus a bar, b bar minus a bar, that is a b bar, a c bar, c bar minus a bar. Or in terms of Cartesian format, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second, that is b bar means second point, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. These are the three types. First type, normal vector or perpendicular passing. Second, two non-parallel. Third one, that is three non-collinear points. Next, normal form of equation of a plane. The equation of a plane at a distance p units from the origin. Here as the origin पासून या plane चा distance p unit आहे, p unit, and to which unit vector n cap is normal. Here n cap is the normal vector. This is n cap vector. Suppose this is n cap vector. Unit normal, that is perpendicular vector and its unit vector. How to make unit vector? Modular vector upon its modulus is given by r bar dot n cap is equal to p. If we write equation in this format, then RHS that p is what? P is what? Perpendicular distance from origin. This is the origin. This is the normal form. R bar dot n cap is equal to p. And this n cap as a unit normal vector. Therefore, this is unit vector. Therefore, its x, y, I, j, k coefficients are nothing but direction cosines. Therefore, coefficients of this L, M, and R DCS, direction cosines. Then this is the normal form. If we write given equation of a plane in normal form, then RHS is nothing but perpendicular distance from origin. And this is the foot of perpendicular. N, capital N indicates foot of perpendicular. Its coordinates are PL, PM, and PN. RHS small p as a distance from origin. Then L, M, N are the coefficients or direction cosines of this n cap vector, normal vector. Then Cartesian form of this, again same, just Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to p, where r bar is equal to r is equal to that is position vector for this p point. P is any point on the plane xi, yj, zk, that is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to p. Equation of plane passing through intersection of two planes. Two planes are given, r bar dot n1 bar is equal to d1, r bar is equal to n2 bar is equal to d2. This is not the normal form because here n1 bar, n2 bar. If n1 cap, n2 cap, then normal forms. Then d1, d2 are the perpendicular distances. Here n1 bar and n2 bar are not the normal unit normal. Therefore, d1 and d2 are not the distances from origin. This is general equation of a plane. r bar dot n1 bar d1, r bar dot n2 bar d2. या दोघांच्या इंटरसेक्शन मधून पास होणारा प्लेनचे इक्वेशन काढायचं असेल तर r bar dot n1 bar plus lambda n2 bar d1 plus lambda d2 bar represents plane passing through intersection of these two planes. This is just outline for this topic. line and plane. Now first example, the lines x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 2, z minus 1 by 4 and x minus 3 by 1, y minus k by 2 is equal to z by 1. MST 2017 intersect each other at the point. Lines are intersecting each other, therefore we want to find this point of intersection. That is, this point of intersection satisfies both the lines. We check for first we put here minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 by 2. Last one 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. This is not satisfied. Second, we check just B point, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 4, minus 3 by 2, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6 by 4, that is minus 3 by 2. Yes, it satisfies. Therefore, option is B option. Point lines are intersecting each other. Therefore, this point lies on both the lines. कुठल्या पॉइंटला टेस्टिंग होतं चेक करायचं. आपण या पॉइंटला टेस्ट करून बघितलं. Yes, it is tested. Yes, it is equal. Second, the lines x minus 1 by 2, y minus 2 by 4, z minus 3 by 6 and x minus 1 by 4, y minus 2 by 5, z minus 3 by 7 are dash dash. Now, these lines are passing through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3 again parallel to 4, 5, 7. Both the lines passing through same point. 1, 2, 3. या लाईनचा पासिंग पॉइंट ही कार्टेशियन फॉर्मॅट आहे. पासिंग पॉइंट इज 1, 2, 3. या लाईनचा पण पासिंग पॉइंट 1, 2, 3. दोन्ही लाइन्स 1, 2, 3 मधून पास होतात. म्हणजेच काय, लाइन्स आर इंटरसेक्टिंग. डी ऑप्शन. Next example, the equation of the plane passing through the line, this line, Cartesian format, and the point 4, 3, 7 is dash dash. या लाइन मधून पास होणारा प्लेन आणि हा पॉइंट असणारा प्लेन, that is this point lies on plane, therefore this satisfies equation of plane. Just put in this 4, 3, 7. 4 4s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 7 7 49. That is total not equal to, this is not there. Second, 4 4s are 16, minus 8 3s are 24, 7 7 49. Total 49. This is 16 minus 24 minus 8 and it is, yes, it is equal to 41. Yes, it is correct. Again put in this, that is 4 are 60 minus 24 minus 49. This is not equal to 41. This is not there. And last one again, 4 6 are 4 16 minus 8 3s are 24, 7 7 49. And this total 41 not equal to 39. Therefore only point 437 satisfies a second equation. Therefore B is the option. हा पॉइंट या पॉइंट मधून पास होणारा प्लेन विचारला, त्यामुळे हा पॉइंट सरळ ऑप्शन मध्ये टाकून बघायचा, कुठल्याला व्हेरीफाय होते बघा. दॅट इज द आन्सर. नेक्स्ट, द लाइन r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, that is parametric format, is parallel to this plane. This line is parallel to this plane. Now this line is passing through a bar and parallel to b bar. Therefore this line is parallel to b bar. Line b bar is parallel to line b bar. B bar vector is parallel to this plane, that is r bar dot n bar is equal to p. And we know that this is what, this plane is perpendicular to n bar. Therefore this is parallel to this is perpendicular, this is parallel. Therefore what, b bar and n bar perpendicular to each other. b bar याला parallel आहे, हा n bar ला perpendicular. This is equation of plane perpendicular to normal n bar. Therefore n bar is perpendicular to b bar. Two vectors are perpendicular, dot product is 0. Therefore b bar dot n bar is equal to 0. A option. Next, the length of the perpendicular from origin to the plane is dash dash. This is equation of plane. What is asked? Length of perpendicular. Normal form मध्ये द्यावा लागेल. This is not unit vector. Making this unit vector first. Therefore divided by its modulus, that is 3 square root 9 plus 16 plus 144. That is total 144, 16, 160, 169 root 169, that is 13 divided by 13 both sides. Then this is what, Now this is normal vector, normal unit vector. Normal unit vector means normal form. R bar dot n cap is equal to P. This is the P. 3 by 13. A option.